All right, week number one, Dominic 35. We do have a winner in the 55-pound Marvel division. Boxing out of the blue corner, Angelo Luna. All right, week number two, Dominic 32, and the intermediate air August 119. All right, week number three, Dominic 32 in the 75-pound Dominic division. We have a winner. And he's boxing out of the